Hello everyone, this is our case study and our topic is Hamilton County Judges. We have table of contents and we will start with an introduction and then we will go over case subject and managerial report, analysis, references and lastly appendix. Let's start with an overview. The initial data for his case problem was collected by Christian Del Giusi of the Cincinnati Enquirer when she conducted a study of cases handled by the Hamilton County judges over a 3-year period. Said data is derived from about 180,000 cases handled or disposed by 38 judges in 3 courts: the Common Pleas Court, Domestic Relations Court, and Municipal Court. This study was conducted to evaluate the performances of the judges involved in the study. To further analyze the data given, we will presenting the probability of appeal, reversal, and the reversal given appeal for each judge and for the court as a whole. And to solidify the evaluation of the performances of the judges, each judge was also ranked based on a given categories. Hamilton County judges try thousands of cases per year. In an overwhelming majority of the cases disposed, the verdict stands as rendered. However, some cases are appealed, and those appealed, some of the cases are reversed. Christian Del Giusi of the Cincinnati Enquirer conducted a study of cases handled by Hamilton County judges over a 3-year period. Shown in the table 4.1, which we will see later, are the results for this 180,000 case handled by 38 judges in Common Pleas Court, Domestic Relations Court, and Municipal Court. 2 of the judges, which are Declaker and Hogan, did not serve the same court for the entire 3-year period. The purpose of the newspaper study was to evaluate the performance of the judges. Appeals are often the results of mistakes by the judges, and the newspaper want to know which judges were doing a good job and which were making too many mistakes. You are called in to assist in the data analysis. Use your knowledge of probability and conditional probability to help with the ranking of the judges. You also may be able to analyze the likelihood of appeal and reversal for cases handled by different courts. Prepare a report with your rankings of the judges. Also include an analysis of the likelihood of appeal and case reversal in the 3 courts. At a minimum, your report should include the following: the probability of cases being appealed and reversed in the 3 different courts, the probability of the case being appealed for each judge, the probability of case being reversed for each judge, the probability of reversal given and appeal for each judge, and rank of judges within each court. State the criteria you used and provide the rationale for your choice. This is our analysis 1, which is a question that what is the probability of cases being appealed and reversed in the 3 different courts. Here we have 6 probabilities that of cases being appealed or reversed for Common Pleas, Domestic Relations, and Municipal Courts, and the appeals are much more likely in Common Pleas Courts, but even there only 1 in 25 cases are appealed. The unconditional probability of an appeal across all 3 courts is equal to 0.01. This is our second question. What is the probability of case being appealed for each judge? And the answer is the probability of case being appealed for each judge is given in the table 1.2, which we'll see in the last slides. Paniato, Winkler, and Gandhi have a minimum probability of appeal for domestic relations, common pleas, and municipal courts respectively. Our third question is what is the probability of a case being reversal for each judge? The probability of a case being reversed for each judge is given in the table 1.3. Panito, Winkler, and Grandier have the lowest probability of reversal for domestic relations, common pleas, and municipal courts respectively. There are the probabilities for reversal for all cases disposed of, not just the one appeals. Our third question is what is the probability of reversal given an appeal for each judge? The probability of reversal given an appeal for each judge is given in the table 1.4. Judges Nuri, Paniato, and Grandier have the lowest probability of reversal for common police, domestic relations, and municipal courts, respectively. Our last question is rank the judges within each court. State the criteria you use to provide a rationale for your choice. We provide those total ranks in the table 1.5 and in the table. Judge Winkler is the judge in common police court. Judge Paniato is the highest ranked judge in domestic relation courts, and the Judge Grady is the highest ranked judge in the municipal courts. And here are our references, and those are the datas that we use to answer our questions. Thank you.